Hi guys, welcome back to Earth, Sea and You video. I hope you enjoyed the last video and I hope you did subscribe. Today we'll be doing strawberries, blackberries, tangerine, bananas, peaches and some lemon, and we're going to make smoothies with all these different fruits. First I'm going to do the blackberries and strawberries, and I'm going to add a little lemon to it and also a little mint. Then the next one I'm going to be doing is peach and lemon, and then strawberries and banana for the next one. So 3 different smoothies, and I'm going to be using Earth, Sea and You gel, and this is the Earth, Sea and You sea moss gel. Okay guys, my first smoothie is going to be the blackberries, and then here I have strawberries, fresh mint, and also a piece of lemon. And I'm going to put all these fruits in the blender. Just hold it up, just pour them in, just like that. Okay. I'm not going to use any sweetener because the strawberries are very sweet, and also the blackberries. So I'm just going to put them in with a little lemon. The next thing that I'm going to do here, I'm going to use my gel. This is a moss. I'm going to use just 1 tablespoon. So guys, here is the gel. That's the sea moss gel. Then you have the strawberries, the blackberries, a little mint, just a few pieces of mint, and I'm going to just add a little bit of water, not much, just a little bit to fill it up a little. And I'm going to blend it now. Look how beautiful it is, and I'm going to blend it right now, so let's go. Wow, look how beautiful this is. It's the strawberries, and it also has the mint and the blackberries. No sugar added, but as I said before, if you prefer to have a little sugar in, then that's great. All I'm doing here is just pouring it into the bottle, and then what I'm going to do, I'm not ready to have it now, so I'll just put it in the refrigerator to chill, and then when I'm ready, then it's all set to go. This is what it looks like. Okay, this other smoothie is just peach, and I'll add a little sugar with the sea moss gel. So I'm going to put all in the blender, just like what I did before. So I'm going to pour it in the blender. And again, I'll use roughly the same amount of sea moss. Just, oops, put a little bit more. Okay, just a tablespoon, and then I'm just going to have a little lemon. But this time I'm going to add a little sugar. Just a small amount of sugar, and this is optional. If you don't want to add your sugar in, then that's fine. Okay, and add the sugar in, and there it is. And then I'm just going to pour a little bit of water. Wow. Okay. Wow, look at my peach drink. All ready to go. I can't wait to taste a little. Okay. So I'm pouring it into another bottle. Wow, it looks so delicious. Wow. So I have 2 bottles here. I have the peach and I have the strawberry with the blackberries, and I can't wait to have some. Guys, that this is the last drink that I'm making for this video, and I have the tangerine, bananas, and I'm going to put just a little bit of lemon in this one also. This time I'm going to put all the tangerine in, just like this. Then I'm going to just a little bit of lemon. Then the last thing I'm going to do is pour my sea moss gel. Wow, so gel. Then my water. Hi guys, I just decided I'm going to add a little honey to my drink. Okay, so I add a little honey to it, and then I'm going to add some water as usual, just enough to fill it up halfway. Okay, that's enough. I have my water, the bananas and the tangerine, and here we go. The tangerine, bananas, I put a little honey, and also the gel, the sea moss gel. Hi guys, here's my tangerine and my bananas with a little honey, and I'm going to pour it right in the bottle. Okay, right. So we have all this in. We have the sea moss, which is so delicious. I just can't wait to have this drink. I'm going to be drinking it one bottle every single day. This is my tangerine, see? And my honey and my sea moss. So guys, I have all 3 bottles for part of the week, not all week, but part of the week. Guys, I'm going to do a test to see which one is my favorite. Okay, I'm going to just shake it up. Okay. This is good. This one is a peach with a little honey. Shake this one up. I'll try this one now. And this one was a tangerine. I can taste the banana, and I can taste the sea moss. The sea moss doesn't have no taste, but it's there. But it's lovely. This is good. And the last one is the blackberry with the strawberry. Let me see. Oh my God, this is good. They're all good, but my favorite is the peach. The next one is the strawberry and the blackberry. But they're all good. Hi guys, remember, if you want to make the drink, the sea moss, we have the gel online at Earthsea and You, and also we have the dry one that you can also make the gel. So remember to subscribe, share, and like. See you next time. Bye bye.